Good morning, students. Today we will discuss magnetic effect of electric current. We have seen heating effect of electric current. When electric current is passed through a conductor, some heat is produced over here. This is known as heating effect of electric current. Now, what happen when we pass electric current in a circuit? Look over here. Suppose we have taken this cell, this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. In this way, understood? Now put over here a switch. This is the switch. Switch, cell or battery, whatever you want, and here we put a bulb. As we switch on the circuit, the current will flow and bulb will glow. Bulb will start to glow. Now put a magnetic compass. Place a magnetic compass like this. This is the magnetic compass. Place a magnetic compass near the circuit. As we put compass over here, the magnetic compass showing some deflections. The needle start to move. Why the needle start to move? Because as we start the electric current, as the current start to flow in the circuit, there is the magnetic field generate over here, nearby the circuit. This is known as magnetic effect of electric current. It was first observed by a scientist named Hans Christian Ørsted. Named Hans Christian Ørsted. What is the magnetic effect of electric current? We can understand better when we pass the electric current through a conductor. Nearby it, a magnetic field is generated. This is known as magnetic effect of electric current. Now look over here. In a magnet, we know there are two poles. Is there two poles also present in a electromagnet? The magnetic field generated due to the flow of electric current known as magnetic effect. This is the electromagnet. The magnetic field which is generated due to flow of electric current, electromagnet. Look over here. If we take again, this is the cell or battery, whatever you want. This is the switch and connect them. We take a coil of wire like this. We will put over here an electric compass, a magnetic compass. You will see that electric current flows from the positive terminal to negative terminal in this way. We will observe the compass. We will observe by the compass what is the direction, which is the north pole, which is the south pole. Now we turn the terminals, replace the terminals like this. Change the terminals. As we change the terminals of the battery, we will observe it, the electric current इधर से पास हुई थी पहले, अब ना, अब कैसे होगी, इधर से. When electric direction of the electric current flows changed, the north pole and south pole will be changed. We can see by the compass. We can observe it by the compass. So, if the direction of electric current change, the poles formed north pole, south pole by in an electromagnet will be changed. Concept clear? Now look, what is the effect of core material? Core material. हम लोगों ने यहां पर क्या किया बच्चों, कॉइल किया ना, कॉइल किया. अब ये कॉइल किया किसके ऊपर किया, इट इज ऑल्सो एन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. जब ये कॉइल बन जाती है ना, व्हेन देयर इज कॉइल, इट इज नोन एज सोलिनॉइड. क्या कहते हैं बच्चे इसको हम लोग, सोलिनॉइड. A hollow coil is known as solenoid. What we call it, solenoids. We will take a pencil. Take a pencil. Coil insulated copper wire over it. ये insulated copper wire ऐसे यहाँ पर हम लोग लगा देंगे. This is the switch. This is the cell or battery, जो भी है. We will take over here pencil. Right? Now, in another case, we will take an iron nail. लोहे की कील ले लेंगे. Like this. And coil this copper wire in this way on it. यहां पर भी वही स्विच लगा दिया हमने. We put a switch, cell or battery over here and start to flow the current. पेंसिल को हमने किससे रिप्लेस कर दिया, आयरन नेल से. अब यहां पर क्या किया बच्चों, पेंसिल में हमने यहां पर कुछ ऐसे आयरन फीलिंग्स, आयरन पिन्स जो थे, ऑल पिन्स वगैरह हम लोगों ने यहां पर डाल दिए. ऐसे पिन्स वगैरह यहां पर डाल दिए, यहां पर डाल दिए. In this case, in case of the pencil, the magnetic field is too much poor that it unable to attract the iron pins. Iron pins, all pins वगैरह वो attract नहीं कर पाता. But it can show deflection in the compass. It can show deflection in the compass. In this case, the magnetic field generated in the around the iron nail, coil तो जितने थे यहाँ पर बराबर ही है, मटेरियल भी वही यूज किया है. But here it shows deflection with the compass strongly, and it also attract the iron nails. So we can say the core material is also very important. If the core material is iron, then strong magnetic field will be generated. If the core material is pencil, then weak or poor magnetic field will be generated. So magnetic field is also dependent upon core material. Now we want to observe number of coils on the strength of magnetic field. This is the iron nail, coil copper over here, connected with the cell or battery, whatever it is. In first case. Now in the case number 2, take this iron nail, increase number of coil. increase number of coil. Yes, we will compare both the magnetic field by putting a compass. We compare these magnetic field by putting the compass. We will observe it if number of coil are more stronger the magnetic field over here. More stronger the magnetic field. Now we want to check strength of the effect of on magnetic field of the strength of electric current. Strength of electric current का इफेक्ट चेक करते हैं. This is the iron nail coiling. यहां पर एक सिंगल सेल ले लो. पहले हमने एक सिंगल सेल ले लिया. This is the iron nail coil. Now we have taken two cells. We will check strength of magnetic field with the by putting a compass over here. In these cases, we will see that when number of battery, number of cell increase, means strength of electric current increase, stronger the magnetic field. तो हमारे पास में क्या क्या समझ में आया? The magnetic field generated by the electric current depends upon following factors. Number one, core material. core material क्या है? wood, pencil है, iron nail है. Number one depends upon core material. Second one, number of coils. Number of coils. More the coil, stronger the magnetic field. Third one, strength of electric current. Stronger the electric current, stronger the magnetic field. So we have learnt magnetic in electromagnet. Magnetic field depends upon following factors. Number one, core material, number of coil, strength of the electric current. If we stop the electric flow of electric current, it stop the magnetic field. Magnetic field यहाँ पर बंद हो जाएगा. Thank you.